Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and right in this video I'm going to show you where BTC is actually headed. Remember, this episode on the weekly updates on MJ Crypto is exclusively sponsored by Bitget Global, top 5 on CMC, one of the best renowned derivative exchanges in the world. Now, where is BTC headed? Major question a lot of persons have been asking. Are we heading towards the upside, or are we going to consolidate downwards? Now, I'm going to show you a quick hack. All right, good. On the 1 week time frame, you can see BTC is actually on minus 93.43 on the CCI indicator. The CCI indicator is the commodity channel index. It's a momentum based indicator that also shows you the trend of a what particular asset. In other words, what direction is it going to? Has it been overbought or has it been oversold? All right. Now you can see the price of BTC is almost getting over what sold. So the limit actually on the average of the CCI is either the 100 or minus 100. In other words, if the price goes below minus 100, it is a clear indication that there might be a bounce back towards the upside. And you can see right here on the CCI, BTC is actually on minus 93.41. In other words, there is a high tendency that BTC is actually going to hit 36K before the bull run actually begins again. All right. So basically, this is the clear indication that we're actually heading towards the downside in the short term. Mind you, in the short term. So if you are taking any position on your trade currently, you shouldn't be taking so much of long positions, because if the price of BTC actually falls, a lot of altcoins are going to what? Fall with BTC. All right. Basically, this is clear facts. I'm telling you right now. All right. So, cheers, guys. This is the weekly updates on the price of BTC. We're heading towards the downside, most likely 36K in the coming days, and then possibly the bull run starts. But the CCI is clearly telling us that the price of BTC will soon be what? Oversold. In other words, we're heading towards the downside. Cheers, guys. Remember, the sponsor of these weekly updates is Bitget Global. I want you guys to give them a shout out on your own by simply signing up, trade with them, make your deposits, buy the BGB token, because that token can give you 10x within the coming few months. All right. Basically, it's a native token of Bitget Global, BGB. Go onto the website and then look out on this particular token I'm talking about. Cheers, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video, where I'll be dropping some major strategies on how to use the CCI indicator in combination with moving averages. Trust me, this is going to be explosive. So stick around. Don't go anywhere. This is MJ Crypto. Cheers. I love you all.